Hey guys, in this video, we'll take a look at CoinPayz, which is a brand new cloud-based web app system that lets you earn free crypto coins. You can earn different types of coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Dashcoin, and you can withdraw your money using your PayPal, Stripe, or you can also transfer or trade your crypto coins into different type of coins and make a lot of money. And one of the coolest part about this, guys, is that once you fail, they will send you $300. Once you don't money using the system, they will send you like $300. Now, before I'm going to show you the demo of this product, how this works, how it can really help you to make, or to earn free Bitcoins, let me show you first my bonuses so you can get most out of CoinPayz and make great result, right? Bonus number one, guys, is I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, if you guys earn free Bitcoin inside of CoinPayz, then you can use that coins that you have to, to buy and sell Bitcoin and earn more money or earn more coins and, make a lot of money. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two, guys, is a Bitcoin training. Now, if you don't understand what is Bitcoin or crypto is all about, then this training will help you out, guys, understanding what is exactly Bitcoin. Bonus number three is Bitcoin related training as well, crypto nights. Bonus number four, guys, is a web app traffic application that will generate you free traffic if you guys promote affiliate offers. Um, if you guys wanted to promote, products online. Bonus number five is I'm gonna let you access to 5-figure freedom, which is an affiliate marketing training program. Bonus number six is $100 per day using your mobile phone. Bonus number seven, I'm gonna let you access Genius application, which bring you free traffic if you guys promote affiliate offers online. Bonus number eight, guys, is a Bitcoin profit plan. This is also related to crypto you know related training. Bonus number nine is I'm gonna let you access to Commission Blueprint, which is an affiliate marketing training program. Bonus number 10 is you're gonna get access to all vendor bonuses. Alright, guys, so those are all of my bonuses. If you'd like to pick up CoinPayz through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Now if you click that link, guys, this will take you to the sales page that looks something like this, where you can learn more about CoinPayz. And the headline says, finally guaranteed way for us to earn free cryptos, brand new browse and earn app towards leisure browsing. But basically, guys, you will earn free cryptos just by playing games, watching videos, and browsing websites or filling up surveys. Now, if you guys thinking that, once you log into the system and you make free cryptos automatically, it doesn't work that way. You need to put in an effort, you need to put in a work, you need to watch videos, you need to play games, you need to browse website to make or to earn free cryptos or coins, right? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work like you just log in and do nothing, right? You just need to put in the work for you guys to make free cryptos, right? And if you don't, if you fail, if you don't make money or if you don't earn free cryptos using the system, they will send you like $300, and this comes with 365 days money back guarantee, guys, right? So you can just try it out. If you don't like the product or if you don't make money, then you can get this $300. They will send you $300 if you can make crypto coins with this system, right? Now, this will not cost you a lot, guys. This is just $19. And if you guys try to exit this page, you'll be prompt with another discount of $2. That means you can get this for like $17 only. Now, yeah, I'm gonna play this video so you guys can learn more about this and get an informed decision if this is something that you need to invest if you wanted to earn free cryptos online. So I'm gonna play this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next review video. Bye.
Hello, welcome to this amazing demo video, and in this video I'm about to show you a guarantee way which we use to earn free cryptos online without investing or trading. All thanks to this amazing platform called CoinPayz. CoinPayz is a brand new browse and earn platform that turns your leisure browsing into free coins every 5 minutes. Amazing, right? With CoinPayz, you'll be able to earn free Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dashcoin, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar Coin, Tron, Solana, any type of coin in just 5 minutes doing what you love online, like playing games, answering simple questions, and watching videos. Now, watch me earn free cryptos in minutes doing what I love. So I'm going to log in with my details here. So once I log in, it brings me to CoinPayz dashboard. As you can see, this is my CoinPayz dashboard. So on the dashboard, you can see different things that you can see earnings. These are the various things you can do on this platform to earn free cryptos, as you can see. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the manual faucet. So faucet is a tiny bit of Bitcoin called Satoshi. Is a very small bit of Bitcoin, and this is what you earn on this platform. So now once you come to this place, you can click on manual faucet. You can see, are you ready? It happens every 5 minutes and you get 60 tokens for that. So now all you have to do is just to do this. Please click on the anti-bot links in the following order: 5, 3, 10. Can you see that? So here I'm just going to click on 5. I'm not a robot. And then you 3, 10, and click on collect reward. Can you see? Good job. 60 tokens has been added to your balance. Easy peasy. That's how you get tons of tokens from this platform. So that's how you do with manual faucet, as you can see. Also, you can come to offer wars. On this offer wars, you have access to simple questions and you get free coins for answering simple questions. As you can see you have the offers, you have the surveys, you can even view websites and you get coins in return. Can you see that? You can see the number of tokens you get for all this. So in case you want this, you can just click on it. Can you see? Please wait. So you have to wait for this to reach the last end. So you can just view the site while you wait. So you can see, once it's confirmed, then you have to answer this captcha. I'll just select this. You can see, great. You do not appear to be a robot. So if you go back here, your account will be credited. You can see it has highlighted this, which means you've done this. So just by viewing websites, you get paid. You can come to surveys. You see tons and tons of them that once you answer them, you get paid. You can see the number of tokens you get for each of these. And at the end of the day, you can have access to as many offers as possible. That is, you can play games online, you can answer simple questions, you can visit websites, you can watch videos, you can as well click on short links and you get paid. You can even answer simple tasks, as you can see. So at the end of the day, we also have the auto faucet. The auto faucet allow you to automate the process of this manual faucet. Instead of visiting all these links one after the other manually, this automates the process. This is only available for our upgrade user. So at the end of the day, you can go to your dashboard. As you come to dashboard, you can see total tokens earned. So just now I've added extra 60 tokens. Can you see that? And now if you want to withdraw your money, you can see you have different options. You can withdraw in Dashcoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Stellar, Tron, Binance Coin, and USDT. All you need to do is just to select any option. So let's say you want to withdraw this. I'm just going to click on Tron. Can you see that? Once you click on Tron, it will show the amount you will get in Tron. If you click on Cardano, it will show the amount you get in Cardano. If you click on Binance Coin, it shows the exact amount. And as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is there, which is 50 tokens. And I've passed that already. So all you have to do is just to enter your wallet address here and hit the withdraw button. It's as simple as that. That's how you make money on CoinPayz and also get paid in cryptos. Thank you for watching. Bye.